Hello dear student, welcome to Social Science Passing Package video series. Dear students, this is my fifth video on this Social Science Passing Package video series. So already I have uploaded 4 videos on this topic. You can watch those videos also. I have given a link in my description box. You should go and just click on that link. You will get those video. And today also I brought some of the important questions for you students. Not only important, these questions also expected questions for your upcoming exam. So please watch video till the end and also share it to your friends. So still, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. You will get more than 190 plus videos in my YouTube channel about social science, English grammar and spoken English. Dear students, now let's move on the questions. See the students, the first question is on your screen. What are the major forms of social stratification? So what are the major forms of social stratification? So see there, the answer is, so these are the major forms of the social stratification. The first one is primitive society, B slavery, C estate system, D varna system, E caste system. So here five points are there: primitive, slavery, estate system, varna and caste system. So these five are the major forms of the social stratification. Okay students, now let's move on the next question. What are the problems of untouchability? See there, the right answer is, student, what are the problems? You heard about the untouchability. So what are the problems of the untouchability? See there, it creates caste based society. So untouchability creates the caste based society. Okay, the next is it deprived educational rights and it can deprived. So ಇದು ಎಜುಕೇಶನಲ್ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಕಸಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. It deprived the educational rights. And next is it deprived property rights. Okay, it not give the property rights for the untouchable. And next is it deprived political rights and it deprived the political rights. And next is it deprived participation rights. So it's also deprived the participation rights. It's in the election or somewhere. Okay, next, untouchables are getting ill treated. So these people are getting ill treated, untouchables. So these are the problems faced by the untouchables. It is about the caste based society, educational, they have missed the education rights, property rights, political rights, participation rights, and they are also getting the ill treated. So these are the important point about the important problems. So these are the major problems of the untouchables. Okay, then now let's move on the next question. The next question is on your screen. See there, what are the constitutional and legal measures enforced to fight untouchability? So what are the constitutional or legal measures enforced to fight untouchability? See there, the right answer is, student, the most important thing is that, friends, so before it also, not only have put the passing package video, also before it I have put some of the 3 to 4 years question paper I have also solved. So I'm telling you, so please subscribe my channel. So you just go to, or otherwise you should go to YouTube and just type the UTalk grammar channel. You will get the all these videos. Even I have discussed about the old question paper 2018 March, June, 2019 March, June, and 2020 March and June, May and September. So both questions I question paper, all the question paper are discussed in my previous videos. So you can go and watch those also, because those videos also help you a lot. Okay. So see there, the question is, what are the constitutional and legal measures enforced to fight untouchability? See there, so article 17 prohibits the untouchability. It's the most important article, students. It's also expected in one marks also. Even they can ask you, maybe sometimes they can ask it in the multiple choice question, which articles prohibits the untouchability? Article 17, it is the one of the most important article. Article 17 prohibits the untouchability. Next, Untouchability Crime Act in 1955. In 1955, government brought the Untouchability Crime Act. And next is Civil Rights Protection Act in 1976. They also brought the Civil Rights Protection Act in 1976. Okay. Next is universal right to vote. So government brought the universal rights to vote. So they also get the vote to voting rights. And next is right to participate in election. And also government brought the untouchables can also participate in the election. They also get the rights about the participate in the election. And next is provided reservation in education. They also provided the reservation in the education field. And next is they are also provided reservation in the employment. So even in employment also they provided in the for a reservation. Okay, so these are the important measures, the legal or constitutional measures which government brought the for the untouchability people. Okay, now let's move on the next question. See that the next question is explain the characteristics of tropical deciduous forests of India. So what are the characteristics of the tropical deciduous forests of India? See there, these are the characteristics. Found in monsoon climate, it's the first, and next is found in areas with a rainfall of 100 to 200 centimeter, and next is widely found in India. So in India you found widely, and next is trees. Here you found the trees like the sal and sandalwood trees, and here these trees also shed their leaves. Okay, these are the characteristics of the tropical deciduous forest of India, like monsoon climate. Here you get the 100 to 200 centimeter rain, and widely found in country or in India, and you found there the star and sandalwood trees, and also trees of the deciduous forest shed their leaves. Okay, these are the characteristics. Okay, should remember properly. Okay, now let's move on the next question, student. See, the next question is like this. See, make a list of activities that are essential for rural development. Okay, here the question asks like this, student. Make a list of activities that are essential for rural development. What are the activities essential for the rural development? See there, the answer is like this. Okay, uh, expansion of literacy. So it's the first point. We should expansion of the literacy. Second is we should promote the female literacy. We should support the female literacy. And third is skill development. We should give the training like this. We should develop their skill. And next is improvement of public health, and we also improve the public health of the rural people. And next, land reforms. We should also brought it properly. Land reforms. And next, supply of electricity. Okay, it is also major point. We should supply the electricity for the rural areas. Next is provide irrigation. Okay, we should also provide the irrigation in the rural areas. So it is also most important point. After only provide the, if you provide the irrigation, then definitely rural areas will be developed. And next is transport facility and market facility. So these also, these two are the important point: transport facility and market facility. So these are the important point, or these are the very essential activities that can develop the rural area. Okay, now let's move on the next question. See there, the next question is women self-help groups play important role in the life of women. How the women self-help group play the important role in their life? See there, how the answer is like this, friend. Organizing poor rural women. So this is the first point. You should organize the poor rural women. And second is helps the women in the mobilizing savings. You should help the women for the mobilizing savings. And next is and help the women to fight exploitations. So you should help the women to fight exploitations. There is exploitation happen about women, so you should be help the women. Okay, next is help women to fight social evils. Should help the women to fight against the social evils. And next is we should help to get a loan easily. So we should help the women to get the women, so should get the loan easily. And next is making rural women financially independent. We should make the financially independent to the rural women. And next is helps women to engage in the productive activities, and should help the women to, they should always engage in the productive activities. So these are the uh, things. So these are the points tell us that, so how the women self-help groups can play an important role in the life of the women. Okay, now let's move on the next question. The next question is, student, see there, what are the problems faced by consumer? Okay, what are the problems faced by the consumers? See there, customers, what you call customers, what are the problems faced by the customers? See there, the first point is cheating by the seller. So customers always cheated by the sellers. Next is overcharging. Sometimes the owners or sellers can put the overcharge. And third is exploitation by the agent. Sometimes agents can exploit the consumer because they can tell the overcharge or they get the more money. Okay, next is adulteration. So adulteration is also important point. So it can they have, consumers are facing this problem. And next, false weights and measures. So sometimes sellers can make a false weights and measures. Sometimes they have make the cheating in the measurement or in the weight. Okay, so these are the problems faced by the consumers. Okay, now Let's move on the next question. The next question is, students, mention the four important aims of the Consumer Protection Council. So here they are asking you mention the four important aims of the Consumer Protection Council. See there. What are the those four important points? So important aims for the Consumer Protection Council. Say there. The first one is safety and quality of goods. It's the first. Okay, these are the four important points are there. So the first important aim is to safety and quality of the goods, and second is avoiding production and sale of dangerous goods. We should they should also avoiding the production of the such things like products like those whatever the dangerous goods, whatever they are, they should be avoid that the production and sale. Next is prevention of trade malpractices. So we should also take the prevention about the trade malpractices. And next is creates awareness to the consumers, and also create awareness among the consumers about the uh, this whatever the things that happen in the against consumers. Okay, so these are the four important aims of the Consumer Protection Council. Okay, I hope you understood ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. So if you have any doubts or questions, you should ask me on the comment. So comment ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. So I will reply for your questions. And here, students, the last question, another question is there. So what are the uses of the forest is there? Okay, it is also important question and exam expected question is there. So what are the important or what are the uses of the forest? See there, the first thing is it causes the rain. So a forest can brought the rain for us, and next it prevents the soil erosion. It can prevent the soil erosion. And next is home of the birds. It is the home of the birds, and it can give the shelter for the birds and animals. Forest. And next is home of animals also, like same. Okay, next provide fuel. It can provide the fuel for the many village people or the tribal people. And next provide raw materials. Then foresters can provide the raw materials to the many industries. Okay, next is control the floods. So forests can control the floods. So these are the important importance of the forest, or these are the uses of the forest. Okay, it is the last question, students. I hope you should understood about all these questions. So if you are if you are getting any confusion, so please watch once again video from the beginning till the end. So definitely, otherwise you should make the notes for this, because I told whatever I discussed. So before it already upload four videos, and this is the fifth video. So all these videos, whatever the questions I have discussed, so these questions are the very important and most expected for your upcoming exam. So especially for the average students, especially for the the students who are struggle for the passing, definitely help them. Even these questions also help for the scorers, so they definitely make the more score. Okay, even students, you can also follow me on the Facebook, Insta, and Twitter. So here, just you go to YouTube and just type the eVTalk Grammar channel. You'll get more than 190 plus videos, and about spoken English, English grammar, and social science. So please share this video to your friends and teachers. Please, here we have given the WhatsApp number. Through the WhatsApp also, you should ask us question. Okay. Thank you so much for watching my video, students.